I want you to grab a piece of paper and I want you to write this down. Get that paper in front of you and take notes just like this. So you ready? Here we go. I want you to put a P on the paper, an A, R, P. That spells PARP. Hey, what do you mean, PARP? Gary, you've gone great. Now you have your paper with PARP. I want to introduce you to what PARP is. We're talking about a process at the front counter, a process that bleeds into the back of the shop and bleeds back to the front and then bleeds to your customer. We're not talking about red blood and anything like that, but it is a comprehensive view of what you do every single day with every single car. We prepare, we audit, we rehearse, we present. Let me explain that again. Prepare, audit, rehearse, present. Prepare, audit, rehearse, present. That's what we do. Brian Gillis and I have worked on this for several years together, and there's an SOP 3.18, which is the PARP Master. There's also a video available, a 4-hour training on PARP. That's available at UNet Results through our Auto Shop Showcase 90-degree program. There's also a virtual script, 81 pages, an SOP 3.18. There is a workbook, 3.18, a virtual clinic workbook. And we also have an SOP 3.1 PARP checklist. Well, let's review that. PARP, prepare, audit, rehearse, present. SOP 3.18, PARP Master, virtual clinic, YNR UNet Results, 4 hours of training, 3.18, a virtual clinic transcription of this 4-hour training. Plus, we get an SOP workbook, a virtual clinic workbook, and a PARP checklist. All of that, my friends, is yours for the asking. Just give me a call. I'll explain how you can get your hands on this PARP process and what it takes to get plugged in. Thank you so much. Give me a call, 270-282-1262. Hope to speak with you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.